get married, like the Curry, Steph and Aisha shit. But we more like Belly, Tommy and Keisha shit. Gave you TLC, you wanna creep and shit. Poured out my whole heart to a piece of shit. Man, I thought you would've learned a lesson about liking pictures, not returning texts. I guess it's fine, man.
What up, gang? It's your girl Erica Truth and I'm back with another video. So we're doing a Burger King mukbang, you guys. Yes. I'm sorry. So today, you guys, I do have my son with me. This is one of the twins. Y'all see my haircut? Yes, new and approved with a better attitude. 2020 look. But this is my son, you guys. Say hey to Terry. Introduce yourself.
Hey, my name is
You gotta get on the camera. They can't hear you.
Hey, my name is Terry.
Why are you so shy?
No,
Huh?
on
So tell me about school.
this girl almost tried to fight me.
A girl?
Yes. Because
But you know you're supposed to hit women, right?
because I was just trying to, cause like we wasn't even doing nothing in the classroom anyway. So I was just like, trying to play for a little bit. So she got what's it called? Oh yeah, cause so this girl and the girl I was talking about, that she was trying to fight somebody already. Because she was calling them fake and stuff. Because
Get into that.
she said that behind your you be talking about Essence behind your back, and then and she said no I don't, and then she said I can say it to her face, but she didn't say it to her face.
I don't get caught up in that girl stuff. Boys don't get
But
caught up in that.
she I was just because they was laughing too, and they was making jokes, so I made a joke, but I forgot that was a joke. And
So,
then,
you like in the school?
it's alright.
That's alright.
Good.
Yeah, I see my son. He handsome, man. I have 4 boys. This area can't even see you. Get your boo on camera, baby. It's a mukbang. This the Shy twin. Look at y'all. What did I do a mukbang with Gary? Now Gary, he ain't shy. That boy ain't nowhere near shy. He be ready. So I'm doing a mukbang with him too. I'm actually gonna do a mukbang with all my kids individually. Cause that's how you see that personality. And Terry, he like me, quiet. I know that might be hard to believe to y'all, but I really am quiet. I really am. He make me mad. Thank you, have another napkin? July Burger King. But my baby had a doctor's appointment today, you guys, so I'm on mommy duties. But me and my baby gotta eat though. Period, boo. Get some of that. Y'all know I don't really eat ground beef, so this is just a little Whopper Junior. Because that Whopper, that's just too much. And yes, they do have the Impossible meat. Look at that. They do got the Impossible meat. It's so good, y'all. I thought I was just hungry. What you want?
Huh?
Is it good or I'm just hungry?
You are just hungry. You just woke up and you have to put stuff on your face.
This boy said it's probably you just hungry, mama. It's because I got up and I didn't put nothing on my stomach. I told y'all he real quiet. One thing I know about my boys is they gonna be like, they gonna really love their girlfriend. They gonna love their girlfriend. They don't know how to treat them. And I already told them, if she go wrong, she put her feet on you, she spit on you, call me. If she put her hand on you, period, call me. Period. I'm gonna do a full, play that game later. And when I start back driving, I'm gonna be like, Mom, I'm hungry. Oh, we ain't gonna go out there. Yeah, so today, I had, now that I'm back in the city, because yes, I'm back in Atlanta, I be getting a lot of coupons in the mail. I ain't seen no coupons in a minute. Because in the country, you don't get coupons. For what? Everything cheap. Well, so, I haven't seen coupons in a minute, so. And I've been checking my mailbox, and I got Church's coupons, Popeyes coupons, Jersey's Mike's coupons. I have Jimmy John's coupons. I have Burger King coupons. I have McDonald's coupons. So today, I went ahead and used a coupon. And it was 2 Whopper Junior meals. The meal, like the fries, the onion rings, the drink, for $5. Who gonna turn that down? Do you know how much a Whopper Junior meal, one of them is like $5 for like one meal? And you get 2 for $5, but you add your slice of cheese on there on both sandwiches and it's $5.99. That's good. That was a good one. But $5.
Yeah.
I'm gonna tell you got that coupon. And shit, I ain't too good. I don't think I'm too good, coupon. Shit, I will. So later on, y'all like my new haircut? Ow. Yes, sis. Get your life, honey. Boom. So, Kim, how do it make you feel for me to be the only woman in the house? You gotta talk louder because they can't hear you.
I don't know.
You don't know? It don't feel funny? It don't. Well, come in.
What's up?
Right? I'm done with it. I'm done eating. Boom. Boom. That's how you want to do it. Boom. Yeah. Have my baby hit them for you like, Mom, you got to do like this. You. You. What? All right. Don't hate, baby. Don't hate, because I know how to do that. Whoa. Yeah. What? 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 Don't hate, baby.
I know how to do it, too.
How he do it? He be like, hit on.
No, you don't let it sing on me.
I don't know how to do it. Good. Who taught you? You did see all that. And he gonna just be walking around wooing people. Just whoa. Bo. That little boy down. You got him. That was good. What else you ate it all? You gotta put that in. That was good. I know y'all might be like, oh, she put her shirt down. This time my shirt goes boom. Your mom got a lot of clothes. I'm the only woman in the house, and it feels so good. Hold on, y'all, before we pull out, because I got to smoke right quick. when you eat, I gotta take me a smoke break. Period, boo. But yeah, I'm gonna say this real fast because I got another video that I'm uploading. I supposed to upload it last night, so I ain't gonna need to speak on it too tough. But comment down in the comments below and tell me what y'all think about my son. This is my baby. This the baby twin. This B twin. He's quiet. He's mellow. He have an attitude problem like his mama. He have an attitude problem. A very, very attitude problem. He do. But other than that, he's a sweet boy. He don't get in no trouble. And I raise my kids the right way. Some parents, they don't raise their kids the right way because they're trying to be their kids' friends. I'm my kids' friends too. And I'm your friend. I'm your friend. I'm your friend to the end time. But when you get wrong, and when you get wrong, you go into the, sit right there. You go into the upper room when Jesus was.
Where's that?
The upper room.
I don't know what that is. That's
You don't know what the upper room is? You don't know what the upper room is, y'all. Comment down below if you know, if you got a mother that has told you she would send you to the upper room. Comment down below and let me know what that means. Whoever can comment down below and tell me what the upper room means from a mother. I'm not racist or none of that, so I'm going to say it. A black mother that say, I'm your friend, but I will send you to the upper room. Tell me what I mean, and I'm going to cash up you $20. I'm going to cash up whoever can tell me what that means, $20. Because my baby do not know what that means. You want me to tell you what that means?
Yep.
Have you ever heard the song say, I brought you in and I'll take you out?
Did you mean that you can kick me out?
He said, does that mean you gonna kick me out? No.
I just thought that you said.
No, I'm gonna take you
Oh,
out.
wait. So, I feel like Seth told me this before.
I can't see you on the camera.
I feel like you told me this before. So you said all.
I brought you here, I'll take you out. You know what I mean? Now you know my children don't get in trouble. Y'all don't even get whippings. Look at that. I brought you in and I'll take you out. If I say, I brought you in, I'll take you out. What that mean? You don't know. That means, son, I brought you in this world and I will take you out. Meaning I will kill your ass. I will fuck you up. I will take you, I will send your ass to the upper room.
Oh, heaven.
God, heaven, right. I will send you back home. But you want to be here, so keep acting like you acting. Good. Period. Huh? My son did not know the upper room in, y'all.
I was confused.
You was confused? That what that mean? Your mom brought you here, I'll take you out. Y'all, I'm 30 and I don't even look like it. What they be thinking at y'all school, not coming to y'all school? What they be saying?
You talking about my other school?
Yeah.
They thought you were my sister.
I said loud, so you
They didn't knew that, some of them knew that you were my mother, but they said that they thought that you was like, they thought you had me like at a really young age.
Ooh,
Like,
shade, honey.
It's about like 13, bro.
They thought I had a baby at 13 and 12. Did you tell them how old I was? You told them how old the hell. You should tell them my mom is old.
I thought, I didn't know yet. I thought you like 29, 28.
I was 29, 28. When I had y'all, I was 18.
So how old?
I was 18 years old when I had y'all. Got pregnant when I was 17, my first time. And I had my babies when I was 18.
I don't know why, but every time, my first dream was about me being I think I told you this already, but I was like, I woke up 5 years old, but my first dream was about me. I was a baby and I was in like, it was a huge glass, and then I was in the middle, so I was a little baby, and it was like doctors everywhere on these little, it's around it.
That's called an incubator. And if you already had a dream, that means you have them visions. You have, hold on. If you having them dreams now,
I stopped dreaming.
hold on, y'all.
So now I got
That's an incubator, son. You was in the eco bed at birth. Yes, you was.
What
Y'all
is
see
that?
that? Oh, sis. Give me life,
What is
bitch. Give me life, bitch.
What is that?
Give me life, bitch.
What's that?
An incubator. When you're born early, they put you in this glass bed so you can grow, so you can feel like you're still in the mama's stomach. So it's warm and all that. But that's all we got to do for today, you guys. We finna go home. Like, comment, subscribe. I was gonna get my hair cut, but like shaped up in the back or whatever, but I don't have to because I just figure it out when I get home. But like, comment, subscribe, hit your notification bell so when your girl Erica True tell her upload, you guys can get it first. Anything you want to say? You want to shout somebody out to Terry's? You want to give somebody a shout out?
No.
He don't want to shout nobody out. So shout out to August, shout out to Darius, shout out to the Terrys, shout out to everybody in our household. Shout out to Lurchy. Yeah. Shout out to my Lexi Poo Face. Love you, girl. I know you're gonna look at this video. Shout out to Little Steve. I know he's gonna look at this video. Shout out to my Auntie Peaches for this laid. Girl, you told me I let that alcohol. I work on it morning and my health is laid. Hallelujah. Won't he do it? But anyway, y'all, I love you guys, and I will be back with another video with the other one. And it's gonna shock the shit out of y'all because they look just like he just have a temp. Yeah. So I love you guys, and you guys have a good night. Have a good day. Enjoy it. Embrace it. Love on your loved ones. Hug them. Tell them you love them. Show them the support that they need, and leave it at that. Other than that, family first. Your household, meaning family. That's what I mean about family. When I say family, I mean your household. Some people, they don't have family on the outside, so that's why I'm like your household. Build your family, embrace your family, love your family, and always keep God first. Period. We keep God first, right, Terry?
Yes.
That's right. So y'all have a good one. Goodbye. Bye, y'all. Say bye to Terry.
Bye.